How to create Telegram account with email. Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create Telegram account with email. Alright, so let's begin. So let's see if we can create a Telegram account with using our email. So what you can do is simply open up your Telegram application, or you can easily create an account through the Chrome browser. So what you have to do is just simply type in telegram.com, and you can just simply create an account through that, or you can use it in an application if you have installed it. So after opening up a Telegram, now if you try to enter an email address, unfortunately we can't find that option. So currently you can find the option to create an account using email address on Telegram. But what you can do is just simply use your phone number. So what you have to do is just simply type in your phone number and then tap on the arrow which is on the bottom. And after doing that, you can create an account easily. So unfortunately, there is no option to create a Telegram account using email address, but you can create it through your phone number. So that's basically how you can create Telegram account with email. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.